most of you can also relate, is that how important is our families for us. We are so blessed to have a family which many people don't have, and no matter what kind of arguments, agreements, disagreements we had with our family, but in the end of the day, what really mattered is that to be with them, to have them in our life. And no matter which part of the world we were in at this time, we all wanted to go home back to our family. And even though few of us could not go back to home because of the distance, but we made sure that at least once in a day or twice in a day we would call our family to make sure that they all are fine and fit. So yeah, this is how our close friends and family is important to us, which we never used to be grateful for, but now we realized. We also happened to discover our hidden talent which was inside us, but we never realized we were so good at it. And we also developed many new hobbies, and I can see all the talent flowing on the social media account, on Instagram, Facebook. People are posting about how good they are at cooking, artwork, painting and dancing, singing. And we also have actors, new YouTubers, and this was the time to realize that our hidden talent inside us. This year had taught us to be grateful for a lot of things, and one of it being basic needs like food, shelter and water. We are so blessed to have food on our plate, water to drink and roof over our head. And I think many of us, among us, even in our society, are not that privileged to have all that in abundance. Like for example, you can see how many of people died just because of they didn't have food to eat and water to drink. And you can take the example of migrant worker who were just wanted to go home and unite with their family, but they didn't have food to eat and water to drink, and so because of that on the way back they died. And yeah, when we look at all that, I think we have learned now to be grateful for the basic needs, and also we have learned not to waste food and importance of food. We also learned to appreciate the pause and live in the present moment, and we also learned how to be patient. Being patient in this super fast world of technology was never easy, and like we used to have everything available in front of us in a click of a button, and we used to stress over things like getting pizza delivered just 5 minutes late. But now it's been like 2-3 months, and we are all patiently waiting for this time to get over, and rather spending our time in higher purpose like meditation, yoga, and spending our time more productively at home itself and living in present moment. Positivity and hope is all that is holding this world together at this time. And like back in those days, we used to cry over small things. We used to cry over small things like one bad day at work, and we used to complain about it, and we used to feel like our world is falling apart. But look at the change now. Even though we don't find any positivity around us, even in the news channel or in social media, but still we have that hope, and we are trying to be positive in this negative world. That is a big change that is seen right now after this pandemic. And yeah, even though we feel like world is falling apart, we have learned to be positive, and I think it is a big change. These are the 5 lessons that I learned during lockdown, and I would appreciate if you can also tell me of your lessons that you learned during lockdown in the comment section. And thanks for watching till the end. I hope you enjoyed this video and could relate to the video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, take care, bye bye, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.